How to customize Shopify Spotlight theme. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be quickly showing you on how you can customize your very own Shopify Spotlight theme. So what you're going to do is you're going to come over to Shopify, and over here what you're going to be doing is you're going to come over to your sales channels and online store. Now once you are over here, from here what we are going to do is we're going to wait for the themes to load up, and once the themes load up, you're going to come down here where it says free themes, and in the free themes it should generally give you Spotlight, usually over here. So once you see this, you're going to click on add theme for yourself. So you're like 80% over there. You've added the Spotlight theme. Now all you're going to do is you're going to click on customize, go into its customizer, and it's going to show you its editor, which obviously I'm going to be walking you through. And it's pretty easy to edit the Spotlight theme. I find it more easier than Dawn theme. Now the reason for that is Spotlight gives you a very good layout, very good widgets, and a general good texting and styling overall. I prefer. So we're going to click on customize when it's downloaded, and as you can see, it loads you in over here. Okay, so once it loads you in, we are just going to go ahead and scour through all these things. So to obviously edit it, you have your theme settings where you can mess around with the logo, colors, typography. This is basic stuff, but the main stuff is the structure where you can add different things. So, generally it gives you its custom color schemes like these. So just go ahead and edit it as well as you want. Add up the color schemes, change it around however you want, get a good layout. And that's the general idea of how you're going to edit the Spotlight theme on Shopify. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.